Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. In today's video I'll unbox and review the December 2020 edition of Fabbag, which is the last Fabbag of this year. Nevertheless, it's totally worth it because there are two sugar products of choice and it's priced very affordably at just rupees 5.99 including shipping per month, and if you go for longer subscriptions it's even cheaper. So without any further ado, let's start unboxing.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
The first thing of course is the Fabbag pouch, and it's so cute and such a pretty Christmas themed pouch this time. You can use it to gift somebody. You can actually gift the entire beauty kit to somebody, or you can put your gift whatever you have bought inside this pouch and it really will give a nice Christmassy touch to it. I definitely love the pouch and it's quite a thick one. You can use it as a makeup kit or something for traveling as well. Then coming to the star products, there are two products from Sugar. The first one is MAH Crayon lipstick and the shade I chose is Scarlet'o Hara. This is one of my personal favorite reds from all that I have tried, and trust me, I have tried a lot of reds from different brands. It has a beautiful formula and it's really long stay too. A very comfortable matte, I would say. So this one is not a full size, it's 2.5 grams mini size. So the full size costs around $7.99 and this is how the product looks like. This is the shade. It's a beautiful red, something that will suit everybody, a blue toned red, and I am a fan of this lipstick. It's matte and really great pigmentation. You can see just a single swipe, it's really pigmented. The second product they have is this I Dare You So Metallic Eyeliner. The shade I chose is Bronze Horseman. I was a little unhappy that they didn't keep black and blue in the shade options, and that may be because most people will go towards that, but they had the bronze, the copper, the greens, the teal kind of shade, and the purple also. So this is what I chose. This is the packaging, very basic, and how they have all their eyeliners. Let me show you guys a swatch. So this is how it is. Wand is actually very bendy, so you can use it to make a precise line as well as to make a bold statement. Maybe this kind of shade you can use all over your eyes to give a nice party eyeshadow look. I do like the shade. This is going to be a smudge proof kind of eyeliner too, and it's a beautiful shade, a nice bronzy shade. This is already set, it's not smudging at all, so that's really great. Now after these two star products, they have something in the body care section. This is by Aura de Purity and it's the Healing Body Clay, Kaolin Clay and Neem, 80 gram size. And here are all the details, what all are there in the ingredients, and I totally love them. Neem, Chandan, Aloe Vera, Santra which is orange, Multani Mitti, Kaolin Clay, Turmeric, Mint, Rose. Each and every ingredient is so good for your skin. I'm someone who is little lazy to use such kind of products, you know, body packs and all, but this seems such a potential product. I'll definitely try to use this. It's 5.99 rupees of worth. If you're someone who does use body clays frequently, you would definitely love this. The next product is also in body care category and it's the Fruit Whipped Body Butter, 60 gram size, definitely appropriate for the winters. Everybody will use this. It's from a good brand. I have used so many products from this brand and I'm never disappointed with them. Cost is 315 rupees and expires in 10/2022. The ingredients also look good. They have shea butter and all those things, coconut butter and all. So seems very promising. It has a good fruity fragrance and it seems like a good thick consistency cream like the body butter should be. So happy with this one too. Then after all this you'll get a Christmas bonus too. What I have received is the Global Beauty Secrets shampoo. This is the Turkish shampoo and conditioner in the variant Rose and Mint. 100 ml size. I've already used this one. It's worth 800 rupees and expires in May 21. Here are all the details. This does lather decently and it does clean my scalp pretty well without drying out the hair too much because this is a shampoo plus conditioner. But the only concern I have about this is due to this mint. This gives you a very fresh and minty kind of sensation, like a cool sensation in your scalp and head, which I will not prefer during the winters. So I will probably use this at least after Feb or March when the winters are slightly less harsh in Bangalore. It's a great shampoo, I do like it, but only thing I don't think it's very appropriate for the winter time. If you like having cold showers, then you will definitely love it. And this one is the Christmas bonus for me. It can be something different for you guys. It's gonna be a random product. Here is the info card. The theme this month is the Startling December Fab Bag, and here are all the pricing details mentioned. And the Christmas bonus is the one as I told, shampoo, which can be anything for you guys. At last we have the In My Fabbag contest card. This time you'll be winning 2 products, one W2 face wash and strawberry variant, and the Twak bamboo sap illuminating moisturizer. This is a good product, I've used this. So that's all in the December edition of Fabbag 2020. I did like it because there is one sugar lipstick, one of my favorite red lipsticks, and this eyeliner also. I'll try to use it up. This is also something that I'll definitely use because winters I need more and more body lotion and body butters. Overall, I would say these all products are good brands and decent products, but my star product would be the lipstick. If they gave me a good shade of eyeliner, it would be even better, but I still do like it. And having 2 sugar products at such a price tag plus additional bonus full size products like this is definitely a big thumbs up from me. I will definitely recommend it to you all. If you are thinking of finding an affordable Christmas gift or New Year's gift, this is an amazing gift. Everybody will love this, and with the nice cute Christmassy themed pouch and everything, it's just perfect. My favorite pick is no doubts the Scarlet'o hara MAH Crayon. Do let me know what is your favorite in this edition, and what do you think about this edition. Do you think it's value for money or not? Do let me know if any of you guys have got this bag and what you got, and did you like it or not, also in the comment section below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and show me some love in the comment section below. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.